Silver isn't just precious, it's indispensable in modern industry because of its exceptional electrical and thermal conductivity, chemical stability, and antimicrobial properties. Silver is widely used in printed circuit boards, switches, capacitors, and connectors because it conducts electricity better than nearly any other metal. Smartphones, laptops, wearables, and sensors all depend on silver-based conductive inks and contacts. Solar panels require silver paste to carry electrical current from sunlight-absorbing cells. As the world adds more renewable energy installations, solar remains one of the fastest-growing industrial demands for silver. Electric vehicles use 25-50 grams of silver per unit, significantly more than conventional cars, in battery management, motors, sensors, and power electronics. As EV production increases, so does silver demand. Silver serves as a catalyst in key industrial chemical processes, including the production of ethylene oxide, a building block for plastics, detergents, and fabrics. Silver catalysts improve efficiency and product quality. Thanks to its natural antimicrobial effect, silver is used in wound dressings, coatings for hospital tools, and advanced medical equipment to reduce infections. Next-generation computing, including AI servers, semiconductors, and advanced sensors, relies on high-performance components where silver's conductivity and heat management capabilities are critical. Silver's unique physical and chemical traits make it essential in energy, transportation, health, and technology. Its industrial demand now accounts for more than half of global consumption, shaping the future of innovation and sustainability.